So we just got back from our cruise in Miami, and we stopped. We looked up a nail supply shop, just at random, to go check one out. And we found one. And I'm not going to say the name of it because it wasn't that great. I mean, it was.
Well, I already took the photo of the marquee, so.
Well, I'm still not going to say it. I'm not going to become part of the problem. I'm going to become part of the solution. I don't know how. Anyway, we got much less than we normally would have. Mm-hmm. In fact, we both had the thought we should look up another place, but we didn't do it. It's like, no, let's just get home. Because we were late getting off the ship for some weird reason. And then the customs line took forever. And then we stopped at this nail place. And then we needed to stop to eat. And we're looking at the GPS. And it's like, we're not getting home until after 4 at this point. We're not stopping anywhere else. Mm-hmm. And quite frankly, if we had stopped anywhere, I was going to suggest we go to Port Canaveral, since we went right past it. And had dinner at Fish Lips. And actually waved goodbye to the dream as she left. But that would have gotten us home pretty late. And I wasn't hungry. Mm-hmm. And I think I might have thrown stuff at the ship. You know, for not taking us. Okay, so I'm going to show you what we bought. And we're going to start with, let's go with what you picked first, and then what I picked, and then the stuff that we each picked and had to put one back.
Okay.
So we're going to start with you.
Oh, well, the easy meat here is the Sech Vite.
We got some more top coat. That stuff is...
Yeah, $5 a jar. So.
Yeah, that stuff's really good. We like that. We've gone through. That's our 3rd bottle.
Mm-hmm.
This one was you?
Yep.
Okay. I got to put my glasses back on to read labels. This is Essie. And this is called, my husband with the sense of humor, bought me Tassel Shaker. Mm-hmm. That's pretty cool. So that is a tinsel glitter. So that'll be sponged on. That'll look really cool. And then he picked up this one. This is Color Club. And this one is called Twice Bitten. And it is a deep
vampy purple.
Very
not as vampy as the blush purple, but still.
True. Okay,
and then for the $8, I got the Blue Island Daisy finally.
He wanted the blue. He just liked that it was Blue Island, Illinois was the name. Mm-hmm. That was pretty much it.
Yep.
Do not ask me what I'm going to do with this pale blue color. I am not a pastel. Yeah. That was all you picked out. Oh no. Then you grabbed
one of these.
Well, we both grabbed this one. I grabbed this. Oh, I grabbed the other two?
Right, no, you did the other ones, I did that.
Okay.
Nobody has any idea what we're talking about when we say that. But...
All right, so this was me. Is that in view?
Yeah, is that perfect match stuff?
So this is perfect match. I like these. And this color is called Ice Princess. So just like the other duo, you get one regular nail polish and then a matching gel polish that they're supposed to look the same. Okay, and then this is actually the first one I grabbed. This is a China glaze called Some Like It Hot.
It appears to be hollow.
It is a black hollow, yes, because I don't have like 4 of those. Let's get another black hollow. Speaking of, I have like 4 of those. I have like 12 of these, but that's okay. This is one that Ethan and I both grabbed. And we met up at the store partway through and realized we were holding the same bottle of nail polish. This is called Angel Eyes, and this is an Orly. Mm-hmm. Another blue hollow. This one was me. This is an OPI. It's called Now Museum, Now You Don't. It's got kind of an ancient Egyptian look. And then the little tubs of chrome powder. This is the one Ethan and I both had in our hands. Mm-hmm. And I'm actually prepping these nails to test these powders right now. So we both picked up the, I don't know if that's copper or what the heck color that is. But there's a silver, maybe it's bronze, and a gold. So I was going to do one of each, but I've got to do a gel top coat on these before I can brush these on. So we can brush these on and see what these look like.
And what's in the bag?
Oh, and then in the bag, here's something I don't need and really just needed. they're pieces of chain in different thicknesses to do designs on your nails. I don't need chains. I couldn't help myself. So give me a minute to get this gel polish on, and then we will do these 3 powders. So I did a coat of black, a coat of a clear gel top coat, and this is a no wipe top coat, so I don't have to worry about that. And we've opened the 3 little pots of stuff. I also put protection around each one of the fingers. Why are you, what? Pick a spot. My hand. Love. Okay, I figured I'd do these over black. I don't know why it seemed to be a thing. So there's the gold. Are we in focus here? I'm going to pat on the loose powder. And then start, it's called burnishing. Holy Moses. All right, and I'm going to take a brush, any brush, and brush off the loose powder. I'm going to find my tweezers and pull off this. We might have to go back to Miami.
Yeah.
That is amazing.
Yep.
Look at the shine on that.
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's see if the other ones do the same thing. Ooh, no, don't tip that over. Whoa. All the way. Can you see it?
Uh-huh.
That's so funny. This one's holographic.
Wow.
I didn't think that it would be. It's not as chromy though. Use the big brush. Okay. I can't get a hold of the edge.
Wow. These are like either $5 or $6 a pop on these little pots of burnishing stuff.
Yeah, that one's chrome for sure. You can call that chrome, but it's a little, what's the word? It's a little bit bigger. That's not the word. All right, last one.
So this is the one we both picked out.
Yeah.
Will hopefully now be revealed what color it actually is.
Well, I'm doing it over black, so it's going to be a little bit different than if I did it over a naked nail or if I did it over a different color. But we're getting a red, I think. But it's definitely chrome. And this is something that I don't have a lot of, is the chrome stuff. So I'm glad that we were able to pick up a few colors.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Do you need the brush first?
Oh, yeah. Doo-doo-doo. I like the fluffy brush.
All right.
Pretty cool, huh?
Yep.
Yeah, I'm not sure if it's a red or a burgundy or a wine.
I would say wine, yeah. It's not straight up red, but like you said, because it's over black, it's definitely having an effect on it.
Yeah. I can try it over another color. I'm going to try it over white.
Sure, it's worth a shot.
All right, give me a minute.
All right.
All right, so I've done a coat of white. I've done the latex around the outside. I'm sorry, this nail's so short. This is the one that I broke really, really, really short. And it's finally growing back. And then I did a gel top coat. So I'm going to get some more of whatever color we've decided this is. And we're going to see how it's different over white versus black.
Now in the store, it looked kind of like rust or something.
Yep.
Jimmy's Nails, sponsored by Command Hooks.
Nope, not sponsored. Okay. So, there's the powder over white over black.
Yeah.
It's kind of the difference between what it looks like in the lid and what it looks like in concentrated, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it really washes it out of it.
It does. It really washes it out. I'm wondering how the gold would look over green, but I don't even know if the green would show up. I think the gold is my favorite.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Well, here's the problem, and that was the last one I picked up. Isn't that weird? I had the other two first, and then when I put my red back, I grabbed the gold. I was hoping the silver would be holographic, and it is.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so here's the problem we're going to run into. This needs to be top coated, because if it's not top coated, it'll wear off in no time at all. The thing is, some top coats eat the chrome and make it crack. And I can never remember what I'm supposed to use. So I think we're going to do a few, since I have 4 nails to play with. And I think if we find it, we're writing it down. Mm-hmm. So the first thing that I had heard was to use a water-based one, which I think is the stamping one. Do you remember?
I think so.
If this was water-based or not? We're about to find out. We'll do that on the pinky.
Yeah.
All right, and then I'm going to try a top coat, gel one. think that works. Helps if you don't get it on your skin. Okay. That has to cook for a second. What are other options?
Sèche vide.
Okay.
You got an open one right there.
Now this, I have an empty one right here.
Oh.
Yeah, that's empty. Told you.
I thought there was another one going, I guess not.
There is, somewhere. All right. Okay. And then we need to pick one. Oh, wow. That shine is gone.
Yeah.
The hollow's gone.
Hmm.
We need one more. What do we got? I have an LA Colors Rapid Dry. I have Hollow Taco. Let's use Hollow Taco. Glossy Taco. My second bottle of this too. All right. What have we learned? Oh, whoa.
Womp womp.
Can you see it?
Yep. It's cloudy.
Whoa.
Well, your ring finger seems okay through the viewfinder.
Yeah.
And that was sèche vide, right?
Well, no. That's the
Or was that the gel?
That's the gel.
Okay.
The no wipe gel top coat.
Okay.
This was the sèche vide.
No. That
That
was
was
the maniology.
That was the sèche vide.
Yeah.
Jesus.
All right.
This is why I can never remember. 'Cause I don't know what I did.
So it seems like the gel one was the one to use.
Okay. That is so sad that it killed those two. Look at that.
Mm-hmm.
Although the hollow seems to be coming back on that middle nail a little bit.
Mm. Yeah, but not like it was, though.
No, definitely not like it was. That's crazy. Well, there you go. And actually, I think that gel made it even brighter.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Interesting.
Fabulous!
Yeah.